ஹாய், வணக்கம். இன்னைக்கு வீடியோவில் ஒரு இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்கான ஒரு டாபிக். இப்போ வி யூஷுவலி சேஸ் பீப்புள், லைக் அவங்க வந்து கோஸ் பண்ணிட்டாலோ இல்லை இப்போ அவங்க வந்து பேசுறது இல்லை, ஆர் தே லெஃப்ட் யூ, ஆர் தே ஆர் நாட், யூ ஆர் நாட் ஃபீலிங் வெரி சீன் இன் த பர்டிகுலர் சுச்சுவேஷன். வி டூ கோ ஆஸ்க் ஃபார் க்ளோஷர் ஆர் எக்ஸ்பிளனேஷன். அதை பற்றி தான் இந்த வீடியோ அண்ட் திஸ் part of video and basically the video. Yeah. So yeah, let's get into the video. So yes, if they left you, let them walk away. You don't have to go and explain yourself. பேசிக்காக விட்டு போனவங்க கிட்ட பின்னாடி போகிறதோட மீனிங் என்னன்னா, செத்து போன ஒரு செடியை தண்ணி ஊற்றி வளர்த்து அது இன்னும் ஆக்சுவலி ஒரு ஃப்ளாஸ் கொடுக்கும் அப்படின்ற ஒரு இன்டென்ஷனோட இருக்கிறது தான். அந்த அளவுக்கு ஒரு முட்டாள்தனமான ஒரு விஷயம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் உங்கள் வர்த் உங்களுக்கு தெரியணும். Because you're not an ordinary person. It's not like the guy who's told to Nayantara that she's not a normal person. It's about you're not ordinary because you always see good in people. You bring so much of warmth in cold places, and it's actually a very rare thing. Even if they do the worst thing to you, you'll always see the good in people. How amazing it is. அந்த அளவுக்கு ஒரு குட்டான பர்சனா நீங்க இருக்கிறப்போ, how can you just go, then you're not actually valuing your worth at all. You are the kindest person who makes the world look and feel good and be a better world at all, being the better place. So just think how amazing it is to see the good in people instead of seeing only the worst thing, instead of being conscious about everything around you. That's a very valuable thing to acknowledge about you. So know your worth first. It's not your fault they left, because usually it's all about them. It's not a reflection of you, it's a reflection of them only. Because if they are leaving you for something, it means they are really not meant for you, and they thought that they can't bear your powerful aura. Just change the dynamic to that, and you can see how amazing and beautiful the life is going to be. They weren't actually rejecting you. Just think that the energy you created in the particular room or anything, they couldn't withhold that, because you are so energetic, powerful, and you create so much of amazing things around you. That's why they couldn't come so equal to you and they left you. So you have created a wonderful space for you where if they come into that, they'll be very suffocated, because that's so new to them, right? அந்த அளவுக்கு யூ ஹாவ் கிரியேட்டட் அந்த ஸ்பேஸ் அவ்வளோ அழகா பியூட்டிஃபுல்லா செம்மையா இருக்கிறதுனால they can't really get into your energy level or anything. I'm so excited to talk about this topic because you are powerful. So just don't think that it's all about you. It's not your fault at all. சம்டைம்ஸ் ரொம்ப ஈஸியான ஒரு விஷயம் என்ன தெரியுமா? நம்ம நம்மளை யார் சூஸ் பண்ணுறாங்களோ அவங்கள சூஸ் பண்ணுறது தான். லுக் அரவுண்ட் யூ. இப்போ உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் யார் உங்ககிட்ட இப்போ பேசினா பேசுவாங்க, ஆர் டெக்ஸ்ட் பண்ணால் ரிப்ளை பண்ணுவாங்க, ஆர் தே நோ யுவர் ஒர்த். ஸோ தே கிவிங் யூ ஸோ மச் ஆஃப் டைம் ஃபார் யூ டு have a wonderful time with you. They don't have to beg for your love, because just just think, if you need to beg for love someone somewhere else, because you get it in your hand around you. Reciprocation is a beautiful thing. Like, you're giving your energy and your time to someone, அவங்களும் அதே விஷயத்த உங்களுக்கு கொடுக்கறது, it's very rare nowadays. So if someone is doing to you, keep them. So the simple thing is, instead of focusing on people who actually left you, focus on people who choose and value you in your life. Because that is a bare minimum. If they can't do that, why do you need them in your life? Amazing விஷயம் என்னன்னா, if you have a standards, like for friendship, for the people around you, for the people you give your time to, and the relationships and family relatives, if you set standard and use your energy according to that. I started this recently. Like, I am measuring my energy, அந்த மெஷர் பண்ணி நான் டைம் ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ண ஆரம்பித்தேன். லைக், இப்போ ஒரு பர்சன், ஒரு ஃப்ரெண்ட் இருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா, இஃப் ஐ நோ இஃப் ஐ ஹாவ் டு கிவ் மை ஹோல் எனர்ஜி டு தெம் ஆர் நாட். If that she is not giving so much of knowledge or growth, or if I just going to sit there and just gossip around, I don't need that energy. I'm just going to, I'll have this 20 level of energy in my day, and I'm going to spend only one energy level to them. Even if she's not that worth or he's not that worth, I'm not going to give my 1% energy to him. So that's how you have to spend your energy according to that people. So if you do that, you can know how you can choose people to stay with you. Instead, just think that person who left you doesn't have a standard at all, and you're not having a standard, of course. That's why you're going back behind the person who rejected you, or you don't, who doesn't actually think about you. So when you focus on people who choose you, you're going to have so much of energy for you, because they know, they want you to win. They want you to spend time with you. They will never leave you, or they respect you with the boundaries you set for them. And that's another part, because boundaries are a good thing. And if that boundary is not respected by the person, you don't have to choose them too, because at the end it's your peace. Most of the time, the person who's betraying you or breaking up with you, they're not the decision, because you know now, because they left you. So, as they're not the destination, they are, of course, a part of your journey, because they gave you so much of laughters, they gave you so much of experience. You learned so much from them. You learned how you need to choose people, because you will definitely not choose the person like them. So, yeah. And the other thing is, let go. Let go peacefully. You don't have to do it bitterly, or you don't have to become cold also. You have to just let go peacefully. It's not like you are having the whole life for them. You just have to realize that person is not for you, and just wait patiently for someone who's going to enter your life and make it beautifully. There's this quote, like, when you close doors for one person, then only the other person is going to enter in your life. That's how it works. So when you accept and be okay and think that person is actually redirection and a lesson, that's when you're going to keep ways, or just open doors for another person to enter your life and experience new things. You are meant to attract the right person, not chase behind the person who really don't want you. When you love yourself, you will definitely not do that. You will choose the people who choose you. Yeah, thank you. It's just a short video. I wanted to remind myself and whoever watches this. Bye.